Person with disabilities applauds His Excellency John Dramani Mahama for putting in his budget and the State of the Nation address that 5% of jobs would be reserved for persons with disabilities. Now, persons with disabilities in a forum said that they want us to legislate, to pass a law, to put that provision in the law so that persons with disabilities will have access to decent jobs. There are a lot more people with disabilities that have completed universities, polytechnics, and other skills, but don't have jobs. And so persons with disabilities are advocating that the president and Parliament should pass that law so that they can find decent jobs. Because look, it is good that the president have stated it, but it should be there so that even after the tenure of the president, this law would be there so that employers, both in the private and the public sector, would employ persons with disabilities. If this 5% quota is put in the law and is adhered to, all the problems with regards to unemployment for persons with disabilities will be a thing of the past. And that is what they flagged, and that is what we stated unequivocally, that we at NYE support that, and we will advocate with Parliament and the executive arm of government to ensure that the legislation is passed so that persons with disabilities will find decent jobs to do.
Please, does this also include government appointments that are